Once you get comfortable with your digital planner, you may want to decorate the pages. In order to do so, you can use digital stickers. And inside Etsy platform, you can find a variety of digital stickers to use. I'm going to show you how to download and import them to Notability using my to-do list stickers pack. Whenever you buy from my shop, you should see this message and the zip file with the stickers to download. Hit download, download again, tap the download icon and then tap the zip folder. You will be directed to, on my iPad location, the downloads folder, and you should find your zip folder there. Just tap it once to unzip. Importing and using the stickers is as simple as a drag and drop action. Let's split view using Notability on the left side of the screen. And now just tap any sticker on the right side and drag it to your planner.